Hey there, this is Andre from the future. Exactly right after I recorded the videos in the REPL, REPL.it decided to upgrade their Python interpreter to the version right here. As you can see, the latest version of Python is right here. Now I want you to keep in mind that REPL usually implements the Python interpreter a little bit later because they have to work out some kinks, make sure that it's integrated properly onto their website. So this number might be a little bit lower than what you see on python.org, but don't worry, everything that we do in this course, you're going to be able to follow. As long as we're using Python version 3, we're all set. Now, depending on when you watch this video, this number might be even higher, but again, everything we're going to learn, you're going to be able to follow. Just keep in mind what I said before. That is that these versions are constantly going to upgrade and constantly going to evolve. In this course, we're using the latest version of Python, but because REPL now has a higher version, it allows us to do some neat things that perhaps we weren't able to do in older versions of Python. For example, later on in the course, we're going to talk about something called the walrus operator. And this is a new feature that is new to Python 3.8. And because of that, we're going to be able to use it inside of this REPL. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. You'll see that when we talk about the walrus operator. Anyway, just a quick note. Let's get back into it.